Let me do this real quick. Spin it around. Spray something on there. I'll be right back.